Today on Craft to Care, I'll be showing you how to make these cute bunny hand puppets. And if you're interested in more great craft ideas to make for gifts or to give to charities, then hit that subscribe button. To make your cute little bunny hand puppet, we're going to first get the template, and that is on crafttocare.com. You can find that template. We also need the template for the ears. There's the outer ear and the inner ear on that, and his nose. In addition to the templates, to make your puppets, you'll need some pins, a scissor, a pen for tracing around the templates, and a glue gun for gluing on the embellishments. You'll also need either a sewing machine or a needle and thread if you plan to hand stitch, and of course, there's the felt in the colors of your choice for the bunny and for the embellishments on his face. You'll need 2 for the body. So we're going to use this bright pink and we're going to trace around the template. And again, there's 2 pieces there, so you need the front and the back. Then we're also going to make his ears the same color. So we'll take our ear template, we'll trace around the outside of the ear. That gives us the main part of the ear. And then we'll take our lighter pink color and trace around the inside of the ear. And that will be the extra on the ear at the end. Then we're going to make his nose white, and so we're just going to trace his nose out on the white felt that we have. Next we'll take our scissors and we're going to cut out his nose. We'll cut out all his embellishments. So now we have our 2 pieces of the body, we have our 2 ears, and then we're going to place the ears in between those 2 pieces of his body, and then we're going to pin them into place. So we want to make sure they come down at least about a ½ inch into the body, because when we sew around there we want to make sure that we sew through the ears and attach them to the rest of the puppet. We're going to pin him all together, and next we're going to sew about a ½ inch in from the outside edge all around the edge of the bunny. Make sure to get those ears, again, watch as you're going to make sure that you're sewing through the ears and through both sets, the front and the back of the bunny. You can also hand stitch this part if you don't have a sewing machine. Next we're going to take the face pieces and we're going to glue them on. So we're just going to lay them on how we like them. We get the inside of his ears, his nose, and his eyes. We just cut out little pieces for the nose and eyes. There wasn't really a template for that. They're kind of just little round pieces. And then we'll take our glue gun and we're going to glue his little nose onto the main nose piece. And then we're going to glue that whole piece towards the bottom of the face. And then we're going to glue on each of his eyes, glue the inside of his ears. So now your bunny can be complete. If you want to add a little bit of extra to him, we're going to take a permanent black marker and we can make a little mouth, and we can give him 3 whiskers on each side just to give him a little bit more facial features. Just draw those in best you can. Don't have to be perfect. And your bunny is done. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Happy crafting, and if you have any comments or questions, just put them down below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more great ideas.